This will be the last time you can learn with me through Listen to This Bull. Every denied claim is time and money you'll never get back. Every underpaid settlement chips away at your margins and your future. And every delay in learning the real strategies leaves you further behind your competitors that already know them. If you've been piecing together your process from random YouTube videos and social media posts, fighting delays tooth and nail, and watching your business revenue graph look like a crypto stock, this is your line in the sand. And just between us, this line marks the end of an era and the start of something big on my end too. More on that soon. Because what I'm about to tell you will not happen again, and that's not a joke. No BS. This will be the last time you can learn with me through Listen to This Bull. Yeah, you heard it right. This is my swan song. I've even got the swan graphic ready just to prove it. Here's the deal. Things are changing fast for claims professionals. Carriers keep moving the goalposts. Competition is tougher. Clients expect more. One bad storm season could set you back a year or even shut you down. You feel it every single day. Hours wasted on the phone calls and paperwork that's barely glanced at before you hear, "We stand by our decision." Adjusters and engineers that refuse to acknowledge reality. Revenue that feels feast or famine, never stable. You're working harder than ever, but the numbers don't reflect it. Worse, you're watching other companies break through barriers and wondering, what do they know that I don't? Well, here's the truth. This is my swan song. The last Listen to This Bull training ever. When this training week ends, the window closes. No next time, no encore. I'm not holding anything back. This is the most important stuff that I've learned packed into 1 week. Here's how it works. You can purchase any individual course you want to target a specific problem, or you can bundle all 4 days and then get a bonus mastermind from me. So no matter which option you choose, every session you buy is recorded, and you'll get access to the replay, so you can revisit what you've learned at any time. But you have to purchase in advance to get the recording. Each course is followed by a live mastermind session, and bundled buyers get an exclusive 2.5-hour mastermind for deep dives, real-world problem solving. We'll work on your claims together. Day 1, August 11th, we have 4 primary denials carriers use against you and how to document and overcome them. We're talking about wear and tear, improper installation, saying it's all old damage, or saying none of it is damaged. You've heard all that before. On the 12th of August, you have supplementing roof claims like a pro. It's never been something I've ever taught before, ever. And it's based on realistic supplements for things that are actually reasonably necessary to perform. On day 3, we'll talk about how to be an expert. Policyholders hire you to help them prove their loss. How are you doing that now? How should you be doing that? On the 4th day, we'll talk about how to work with adjusters, ladder assistant engineers, what to say, how to say it, when to say it, all while staying within your lane, either as a contractor or a public adjuster. And if you get the bundle, you also get a private 2.5-hour mastermind as a group, bringing your hardest challenges. You can join one or more of these days if you want to focus, or bundle them all and get the exclusive mastermind, which could pay for itself in just one well-documented claim. Again, every course comes with a recording, so you're never left behind no matter your schedule, as long as you purchase in advance. You're not going to be able to get that recording after the fact. Now, if you're wondering why this is the last Listen to This Bull training, let's just say I'm realigning my focus. Industry is shifting, and so am I. There's a new chapter coming, something I'll be sharing at Win the Storm. What I can say now is this. This is your final opportunity to learn these strategies from me live under the Listen to This Bull brand. The next evolution is just around the corner, and it's going to be even bigger. So as a thank you to everyone who's joined me along the way, I'm opening the vault and giving you everything I've got. One last time. When registration closes, that's it. No replays, no catch it later, no second chances. Your competitors will be there. Will you? Because staying stuck while others move forward is the most expensive thing you could have. Much more expensive than a ticket price. So lock in your spot now, choose your days, or grab the full bundle for maximum value. Show up ready to learn, and walk away with documentation strategies you can use for years. And if you needed one more reason to act fast, if you purchase within the first 24 hours after registration opens, or before July 1st, you'll get the entire bundle for just $800 instead of $950. That's all 4 courses and the bonus mastermind for less than the price of one insurance deductible. No second chances, no exceptions, no pretty please. You either get it before that deadline or you don't get that special deal. This is your swan song moment to Listen to This Bull. Don't let it slip by.